Yes, start. The position and status of women all over the world has risen extraordinarily in the 20th century. Stop. We find that it has been very low in past centuries in India, and hence they were treated like objects that can be bought and sold. Stop. For a long time, women in India remained within the four walls of their household. Stop. They totally depend on mak folk para. In India, the customs of Parda, veil system, female infanticide, child marriage, sati system, self-immolation by the women with their husbands, dowry system and the state of permanent widowhood were totally removed. Stop. It would help the innumerable women in the country who get neglected by their husbands and have no means to prove their marital status. Stop. It would also help check child marriages, bigamy and polygamy, enable women to seek maintenance and custody of their children, and widows can claim inheritance rights. Stop. The act is applicable on all women irrespective of caste, creed or religion. Stop. It truly helps to empower Indian women to exercise their rights. Stop. Women empowerment raises confidence of women in their ability to lead meaningful and purposeful lives. Stop. It eliminates their dependence on others and makes them individuals in their own right. Stop. They are able to lead their lives with dignity and freedom, which increase their self-esteem and give them a unique identity. Stop. They are able to gain recognition and form a meaningful contribution to the well-being of society. Stop para. Women act as capable citizens to make the country achieve and boost gross domestic product within bracket GDP growth. As they are financially independent, they are able to spend on all their needs and desires, and they also get fair and equitable access to resources of the country. Stop. Without women's empowerment, we cannot remove injustice and gender bias and inequalities. Stop. If women are not empowered, they deprived from enjoying security and protection in life. Stop. It also provides them a secure working environment. Stop stanza. Empowerment acts as a powerful tool against exploitation and harassment of women. Stop. It is a great means to get adequate legal protection for women. Stop. If not socially and economically empowered, women cannot blossom their own identity in society, and if they are not employed, the global economy will be adversely affected as women constitute a large extent of the world's population. Stop. As women are highly creative and intelligent, this makes it mandatory to receive their contributions in socio-economic activities. Stop. For a just and progressive society, women need to be provided equal opportunities for work. Stop. Because of the inherent dominance among the males, they often don't allow their female counterpart to rise as high as them. Stanza. Women are bound to high level of domestic responsibilities, and they are also restricted to participate in social, economic and religious activities. Stop. In our society, preference for male child still exists, and priority for education and healthy diet given to the boy child over girl child. Stop. Education through mass communication is very important. Stop. Both women and men should have aware of their responsibilities for promoting and practicing gender equality. Stop.